Alright guys, this is part 11 of the mower build. We got these huge triple pipes. So obviously two-stroke pipes is a huge factor of performance. My goal is to cut these up. It's not going to mess with anything. And I got to figure out a way to mount them. Of course, if these pipes are vital to the performance of this mower, shout out to my subscriber Caleb. He hooked me up with all these pipes, didn't have to pay out of pocket for anything. So really appreciate it, Caleb, but let's go ahead and get to cutting these pipes off. This is a very poor quality metal, so we'll just have to see how it goes. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I want to introduce you to my new saw. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, these pipes are a pain in the butt to weld. It's really thin, really contaminated metal, and it's not worth my time to clean it. So yeah, I'm really happy with the placement of the first. It's tucked nice under the floorboard. Then here's the second cone. This is gonna follow along it. And for the third pipe, we'll do like a complicated U and try to take up this empty space, because I don't want to have it running down there too. Not a very conventional way of cutting it, but it'll be fine. Okay, this is actually pretty hard, but it's not that hard. So we got the pipes routed exactly how I wanted, under the floorboard. But for the third pipe, I'm not really sure what I want to do, because I definitely don't want to put it right there. There's not a whole lot of space. Now, if it wasn't for that electric steering box right there, I would just route the pipe under the frame. Either I make some kind of curvy deal over here and route it on top of these pipes, or I have it come out from the front to the front of the mower. So yeah guys, I'm really not sure what I want to do. guys, so I got the triple pipes welded. Some of you are gonna ask, why didn't I just go with a single pipe and save a bunch of time? Long story short, this engine, they don't make single pipes for them. If I wanted a single pipe, I'd have to switch my top end to a different block. As you can see here, I kind of took inspiration from a dirt bike pipe, very curvy. I didn't want to just hide all these pipes, so I got one of the pipes sticking out and then the rest of them are kind of hidden.
The third one is completely hidden.
It's funny, a lot of you guys wanted me to put fenders in the front, but this pipe kind of acts as a fender. So I'm still going to do a few more changes to it, kind of mess with the angles. And yeah, I want to run a muffler on this thing, so I got to figure out a way to connect all these stingers. And for those of you asking, are all these cuts and bends going to affect performance? Well, it might only affect it just a tiny bit because we didn't alter the volume of these pipes. We only just twisted them out of phase. So the resonant frequency of the pipe should pretty much remain the same. We might lose a few horsepower, but
I think this thing's already too fast. Kind of dangerous in my opinion. It has too much horsepower.
I know there's going to be some mixed opinions on this pipe, but at this point, a lot of you are just trying to see this thing done, so I am just trying to hurry up and finish it. We got our muffler right there, tack welded. Got to go ahead and order a special mount for it off eBay. Not going to be able to mount it in this video, but yeah, we're going to finish welding these pipes out and then go ahead and spray paint them in a high heat black. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. The mower is getting really close to completion. In the next episode, I'm going to have to pull everything apart, weld everything, replace the bushings, do an extensive check and all that stuff, and hopefully the next episode is where you guys will see it run. Now I did also start this thing in part 3 of this build, so if you're really desperate and want to see this thing run, then check out part 3. But yeah, really happy with how the pipes turned out, although I am never doing that again. And it was really time consuming and pretty hard to do that. But yeah guys, I have to catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Peace and God bless.